Okay, hear me out. A smoked out eyeliner, but with color. Also, I did not expect these tapes to be so uncomfortable. I'm gonna start with some black right at the edge, going into a dark purple, then going into a really vivid orange. I'm so sorry I forgot to do the big reveal with the tape, but this is what we're looking like so far. Taking a smaller brush and a purple again, and we're gonna make a little shape over here. And then around the purple, some of that orange. I'm gonna make it a little more neat. Okay, now I want to lay down just some purple shimmer on most of this lid. Then I'm gonna take this Moon Garden palette and this silver gold, and it's gonna be like a little thing right here in a corner and brow bone. Nah, I'm not liking this. It's just not. Let this be a friendly reminder that it is okay to change your mind. Instead, I'm just gonna put a warm brown through the crease. Base done. Let's tie this together with a pink blush, I think. Oh yeah, that was a good choice. But like, I do still want to have more color than just that. Bronzer is, in fact, a necessary thing. Okay, time to return to these eyes, and this might seem a little silly, but I'm going to do green on the under eye. Take some of that black and sort of blend it into the green, and blend out with the brown we used in our crease. Black in the tight line. I probably won't do a whole ass eyeliner, but I do want to create a sort of cute inner eyeliner moment. And under eye shimmer. I kind of feel like this look calls for really big lashes, but I hate putting on lashes, so we're gonna see. I will skip the big eyelashes because the mascara, it kind of works as it is. I tie it together. I'm gonna go in with the MAC Cyber World, a nude in the middle, and a nude lip oil. Actually, one last thing. I need a star underneath my eye. Oh no, it's crooked. I am redoing that. Perfection. Just kidding. I added lashes because I felt bare without them. What has happened to me? Anyway, yeah, this is the final glam. I love it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.